Taking your cover.
Find a computer and upload the factory schematics. I will analyze them for a weakness.
Deltas, give me an explosive solution.
Setting charge. Need some cover, squad. Was red, red, green, or red, green, red?
And he's supposed to be the demolition expert.
Explosive set, 3-8.
Get clear!
Let's move, Delta Squad.
We got droid! Squad leader, good shot. And tears.
Tracking audio disturbance. Tracking audio disturbance.
Factory control. Nice shot.
Your marksmanship is an inspiration to us all, sir.
Slice that door, Delta.
Affirmative, sir. Just a bit longer. Whenever you're ready, leader.
Bug, on the loose! That's gonna leave a mark.
Use this console to access the factory's main computer. You should have access to unlocked doors once the link is established.
Let's crack that terminal, Delta.
On it, squad leader.
Super battle droid!
Eliminate target.
Okay. Just pile scrap.
Can you die later, sir? It just isn't a good time.
On my way.
Need aid now.
Nice hit, boss. Give me another.
Take offensive formation.
Roger that. I'm out. Reloading.
Eliminate target.
An analysis of the data reveals two targets that can cripple the factory's production capabilities. The first conduit is just outside the control room you were standing in. The second conduit is at the end of the assembly line on the production floor. You need to take them both out to cut the factory's power. Updating objective tracker now.
Let's do this quietly, Delta.
Affirmative, sir. A few seconds more. Door sliced. We're clear for entry.
Confederate droids encountered.
Prepare for snipe maneuver, Delta.
The Maker droid.
Here's the first power conduit. Let's get down to the lower level. Take offensive formation. Eliminate target.
How was that?
Box.
Now I'm ready.
Can take him out from here.
Weapon ready. Hostile eliminated.
Nice one, boss.
Can take him out from here.
Target practice.
Let's move on. Slice that terminal, Delta.
Yes, 3, 2, 1. I've accessed the network. Let's go. Boro covering Vector.
Stop looping around and get some Vector, soldier.
No can do, Delta Lead. Got it, sir.
There's the second power conduit.
Oh, not these guys!
Delta, give me an explosive solution.
Charge.
Eliminate target.
I can't do my job with you in the way, sir.
4-0, reloading.
Can I have some cover here? I can't rush this, you know? Charge arms and ready. Good take, Lee. Give me another.
Area secured.
One more down.
Fire in the hole.
I love this now.
Taking cover.
Oh! Droids incoming!
Unit encountered.
Eliminate target. Take offensive formation.
Destroy a fed droid.
I'm out. Reloading.
Should we fall back, sir?
Initiate vector procedures, Delta.
On my way. I can't go there, sir.
Stop looping around and get some vector, soldier.
Acknowledged. Retrieving Bacta. I'm good to go, Delta. Droids incoming!
Droid terminated.
Begin snipe maneuver, Delta.
Target practice. I'm tapped out. Sev, ready to fire.
ECDs will disrupt their neural networks.
Eliminate target. Take offensive formation.
Enemy neutralized.
Nice one, leader, man.
Eliminate target. Take offensive formation.
Reloading.
Droid
Stop
spotted.
looping around and get some vector, soldier.
Acknowledged. Retrieving Bacta.
Fed droid down.
Take them out from there, Delta.
Delta 4-0 recovered.
Area pacification complete.
Pack it up, Delta.
Hostiles down.
Get slicing on that terminal, Commander.
Yes, 3-8. Almost there. 4-0 reporting successful flight. Geos!
Crunch.
Now I'm ready.
Let's rearrange some architecture, Delta.
Setting charge. Cover me. Charge almost ready, sir.
Well done, boss.
Explosive prime, squad.
Way to blast them.
I am reading a complete factory shutdown.
Move out, squad. Let's get out of here.
Nice clean hit, sir.
To advisor. We need to get out of here fast. What's your location?
Got a visual on some mechanicals.
air turret up ahead. This is as close as I can get you to your target. Good luck.
Go!
Down the target. A few clicks down this canyon is a disabled droid core ship. We need you to infiltrate the core ship and retrieve its launch codes, giving us the edge we need to halt the evacuation of the Separatist fleet. Advance via the canyon and effect entry any way you can.
Any intel on enemy forces in this area?
The core ship is protected by a large anti-air turret. Visual scans reveal a substantial droid presence. So, expect to encounter locals in the city.
Geonosians.
Passage up ahead that should lead to the next canyon.
All right, let's get to it, squad.
Good luck, Delta. And don't come back without those launch codes.
Looks like we'll have to look for that box light, sir.
Watch my back, Deltas.
This place reeks of bugs.
Demo is ready when you are,
Stand back, Doubters. Take them out from there, Delta.
On my way. Good to go, sir.
Hang tight, Trooper. Delta squad on our way.
Behind you!
Stop that wreckage. It's one of ours. Talk about a bad landing.
Alien down.
You can make use of that turret over there.
3-8 on the mark.
Warriors!
Let's see what this thing can do.
How many kills you got today, Psycho?
With a new wise guy.
Keep this comm clear, you two.
Calm down, Fixer. Just having a little fun. Target area in view.
Area pacification complete.
These thugs just won't quit.
More bugs. More kills.
Abandoned position, Delta. Abandoned turret, Delta.
Ammunition exhausted.
Whoa! We got some big bugs here!
Abandoned position, Delta. Let's show them some real firepower.
07 moving the turret. Ready to engage.
Eliminate target.
These bugs are tough.
You could use some Vector, Delta.
I thought you'd never ask, sir.
Disengage turret, Commander.
Moving on.
Geonosians! Moro, reloading.
Busted another boss.
I'm good. Let's go.
Target down.
Look in.
Nice hit, 3-8.
Droid! I mean bugs!
07 reloading.
Eliminate target.
Dang it, bug.
Need mags.
Need medical assistance.
Commence relocation, Delta.
Now I'm ready. Geos!
07 ready for duty. I took some fire heading back down.
Target down.
Back to applied.
I've got some damage here. Acknowledged. Retrieving Bacta. Nice
ahead, Delta 3A.
That one's out of its misery.
I'm good to go, Deltas.
Looks like we'll have to blow through that wreckage, sir. Cover me. Just about there.
Warriors! Textbook takedown, sir.
Charge armed.
Eliminate target. Fire in the hole.
Pretty.
Now I'm ready.
Entering passage network. Ready, officers, Deltas. Down we go.
Bring me at the enemy. Stay out of my way.
Got the chatter, Sam.
Go!
Heads up, enemy aircraft.
Don't worry. They're not looking for us.
Enemy down.
I've got a bad feeling about this. Chief's on the mark. Good one. Deadly.
Done better myself, sir. I'm tapped out.
It leads. Watch the beam.
Begin snipe maneuver, Delta.
On my way. Good to go, sir. Good to go.
Take offensive formation.
I'm out. Reloading.
I took some fire. Got that bug. Fixer's out.
Bug, Phil? Hang on, Fixer.
Warriors.
I'm ready.
You, back now.
Getting back to...
Hostiles eliminated.
That did the trick.
Initiate vector procedures, Delta.
Retrieving back, sir.
Begin snipe maneuver, Delta.
Moving to your mark. Ready and raring, sir.
You could use some vector, Delta.
On my way, squad leader.
On my way. Weapon ready.
Heading for cover.
Could use some vector, Delta.
Got it, sir.
Take it out.
Moving into position.
On my way.
Warriors!
Killed that one. Target area in view. Squashed. Nice one, boss. Droid blasted.
Droid detected. Reloading.
Eliminate target. Take offensive formation. Eliminate target.
Give me another.
Move.
Cancel maneuver, Delta.
There's the turret, squad leader.
Give us some sniping. We're at the turret. Looks like there's an opening below.
Understood. Updating mission parameters now. 3-8, make your way inside and disable the turret.
All right, squad. Get in there and start breaking. This looks like a good spot to set up a grenade position, Delta. Set up a grenade position here, Delta.
Yes, sir. Weapon ready. Scorch in position.
Eliminated a back.
Delta, nice one there. Thermal dent! Thermal dent!
Federation colony spotted.
Defense!
4-0 and 100%. Leader is down.
Kill the enemy, sir.
Fire in the hole!
Requires eliminating hostiles before I can help you, sir.
Fire in the hole! Thermal dent!
Take up site position.
Show you.
Ain't called in the big guys. Can't do that, sir.
Set up a grenade position here, Delta.
Yes, sir.
Ready. Wearing, sir.
Back it up, Delta.
Retrieving factor. Why won't they just die?
Try aiming instead of talking.
Back to taking.
Droid eliminated. Powering up.
Enemy down.
Squad leader, good shot. Go, go! Bunker penetrated.
Roger that, squad leader. Locate turret controls and commence disabling maneuvers.
Busted another boss.
Droid
Close to that
incoming.
droid.
Perfect throw, sir. Nice takedown.
Get ready, Delta. Affirmative, Delta. See if you can find a weak spot to plant some charges.
Boss, that looks like a good spot to plant a charge.
I'd like some explosives here, Delta.
Scorch, priming charge. Need some cover, squad.
07 reloading.
Red, red, green, red, green, red. Charge armed and
Enemy
ready.
droid sighted. Confirmed kill. Droid unit.
Clean shot.
Fire in the hole.
Moving to cover. Warriors. Nice hit, boss. These bugs just won't quit.
Secure the glass shield on that window. Lock them out.
Console over here, sir. Window control. Powering up.
Take that, bug.
Nice kill.
Let's crack that terminal.
That's gonna leave a mark.
Almost there. Right, squad leader.
Heavy mechs ahead.
Eliminate target.
Reloading.
Efficient work, squad leader. Subject terminated.
Commit store breach.
Absolutely, sir. Setting detonator. Clear.
these windows too. Let's hit it, Delta.
Working.
Let's crack that terminal.
Affirmative.
On the mark.
3, 2, 1.
Hostile down.
Terminal flight, squad leader.
Moving to position.
I think we need to hit this thing again.
Eliminated a Mac.
We could use a hold here, Delta.
Setting charge. Watch my back, Delta. Charge almost ready, sir. Charge is armed, sir.
Get clear.
Troy.
That's not a trick.
Reloading.
Good job, 3-8. Now find an exit and make your way to the call ship.
Beautiful strike, sir. Super droids.
are trying to let in more Geonosians.
Eliminate target. Eliminate target. Take offensive formation.
Reloading.
Nice hit.
Droid unit
You know the
down.
drill, Deltas. Let's shut them out. Get slicing on that terminal.
Applied. Lock down.
Good kill.
Need aid now. Working. 4 reporting successful flight.
Slice that terminal, Delta. Break off slicing maneuver gun.
Battle fatigue, sir. Fresh ammo.
Let's crack that terminal, Delta.
I'm good to go, Delta.
Almost done. Sludge complete, sir. Finally, some peace and quiet.
Retreating back to...
Slice that door, Delta.
We'll need some cover here.
Doing all right now.
Almost got it.
07, taking cover.
Door is
Droids.
unlocked.
Located. Unit.
Powering up.
Take that.
SPDs!
Eliminate target.
Thanks, sir. You got it.
Taken care of.
Eliminate target.
Reloading. Hostile down.
Eliminate target. Take offensive formation.
L7, taking cover.
3-8. Now that you've disabled the anti-air turret, we're making a supply drop near your current position. Keep an eye out for it.
Base on the mark. Good one.
Area secure.
Need a reload here.
Delta, form up.
That was fun. I'm heading there now.
Look, sir. Here comes the supply drop now.
Droids incoming.
The size of that thing.
Here's the core ship, sir.
Are you sure? Maybe there's another one around the corner.
Eliminate target. Take offensive formation. Take it out.
Fed mechanical down.
Cancel maneuver, Delta.
Sir, this gunship turret is still functional. We could use it against those droids. Damn, they've called out the SPD.
I'm out. Reloading. Targets confirmed.
Oh, now we've made them mad. Good. Bedbugs.
Good to go, sir.
Down and out.
Geonosians.
Excellent shooting. Nice shot, 3A.
Fumigated.
Delta, form up. Disengage turret command.
Turret spent, sir.
Stop looking around and get some better, soldier.
On my way, squad leader. Much better now.
Fresh ammo. Enemy droid down. 3-8 on the mark. Check. Ready for heavy assault.
Prepare for snipe maneuver, Delta.
On my way. Scorch, in position.
Pack it up, Delta. Let's move on.
07 acknowledged.
You, Vector, now.
I'm on it. Doing all right now.
Abandon position, Delta.
Take cover, Delta.
Take them out from there, Delta. Position on. Man that turret, Delta.
Weapon ready. You got him, leader.
Ready to engage.
County armor supplies, sir.
Way to get him.
Eliminate target.
Target down.
Oro reloading. Perfect hit, 3A. Enemy droid sighted.
Another dead.
An anti-armor attachment. This should come in handy against all these droids.
Anti-armor. Oh, this is nice, boss. Very nice piece of ordnance here.
Delta, form up.
Ammunition exhausted.
Delta, form up.
This door's shielded, sir. Looks
Looks like we have to go around.
Damn droids. Let us through.
Oh!
Debris blocking our path here, boss. We need to detonate the rocks to get through. And I'm not just saying that because I love to blow stuff up.
Good to go, sir.
Yes, you are.
It's hot, boss.